Do you want to create a CV that stands out, one that captures the attention of recruiters and lands you that dream job? Then you've come to the right place. Welcome to a world where crafting an effective resume is not a Herculean task. The first step in this journey is to understand that your CV is not just a document, it's your professional story. So it should start with a compelling personal statement. This short paragraph is your elevator pitch. It should highlight your professional experience, key skills, and career objectives in a crisp, concise manner. Next, your CV should clearly outline your work experience. Start with your most recent job and work your way backwards. Each entry should include your job title, the name of the company, the dates of your employment, and a list of your responsibilities and achievements. Remember to use action verbs and quantify your results wherever possible. After your work experience, it's time to showcase your education. Include the name of the institutions you attended, the dates of your attendance, and the qualifications you obtained. If you're a recent graduate, you might want to provide more details about your course, such as relevant modules or projects. Your CV should then highlight your skills. These should be relevant to the job you're applying for. If you're a graphic designer, for instance, you might want to include skills like Adobe Creative Suite, typography, or print design. Now let's talk about references. While it's common to simply put references available upon request, it's a good idea to have a couple of professional references ready in case an employer asks for them. And finally, remember to proofread your CV. Spelling and grammatical errors can make you appear unprofessional, so double-check everything before you hit send. In conclusion, creating a standout CV involves crafting a compelling personal statement, detailing your work experience and education, showcasing your relevant skills, preparing your references, and proofreading for any errors. Remember, your CV is the first impression you make on a potential employer. Make it count. Thank you for joining us on this journey to create a standout CV. With these tips, you're well on your way to capturing the attention of recruiters and landing your dream job. Good luck!